so here we go. Okay, we got this absolutely state-of-the-art grinder from Brodbeck. Okay, and what we're doing here, okay, is that we're trying to bring technology to our old school gunsmithing, okay? And by doing so, it would normally take us hours upon hours to completely grind the sides of these slides flat, okay? But with Brodbeck's tools, okay, here it is, we're able to do things in minutes, okay, instead of hours. See that? Taking it off ever so slightly. Very, very important when we're doing this that our brake line here, okay, that we keep that nice and straight. That's the objective, okay? And as you can see, it's coming off. So we're just gonna keep taking passes a little bit at a time. You can literally hear, okay, when the material is coming off. And if you're looking over here, see that? More and more is coming off on every single pass. Okay, so we're gonna go a little bit more. Alright, so let's go take a look at this. Okay, this is a magnet over here. Okay, so we're going to pull this off, and this thing is on there. Okay, so right now we're taking a look at this slide over here. Okay, and this had engraving on it. We still have a number that we stamped here. We can take that off, but what we're trying to do is just show ourselves here. Like, look at this. So here's the other side when we put a finer wheel on it when we got done. But look at it, how perfect that is. Okay, perfect. So over here we got a 120 grit belt. Okay, so it's a little bit coarser. We'll get all of that. We'll get this off and get it nice and flat, and then we'll use a finer belt, and then we'll be right back to how beautiful this side is, just like that. So right here in the gunsmithing world, this allows us to do the same job that we were doing. You know, instead of taking 3 to 4 hours to do the sides of the slide by hand, we can do them, you know, in a half an hour. So pretty amazing, and we're pretty happy to have Brodbeck here.